Hi, class. Today, I just wanted to jump on here so we could do a quick review for you all to watch before we start our new unit. Earlier in class, we talked about what density was, and it's coming back up again in this unit, so I just wanted to do a quick refresher on that. So our goal for this video today is to review the concept of density using a lab and with a lot of household objects that you would have in your kitchen. So you can participate if you would like. So density, just a simple definition, I put it into words to try to help you guys refresh and understand. It's the amount of mass per unit of volume of a substance. So mathematically, this looks like the mass being divided by the volume. So we're going to do a density layers lab using olive oil, Elmer's glue, maple syrup, and isopropyl alcohol. So those are just things you should have around your house. So first we have isopropyl alcohol. It has a density of about 0.786 grams per milliliter. Then we have olive oil, which has a density of about 0.917 grams per milliliter. Then we have Elmer's glue, which has a density of about 1.19 grams per milliliter. And last, you have maple syrup, which has a density of about 1.37 grams per milliliter. So I want you to take a second, go ahead and pause the video and think about what you think is going to happen. Which of these substances will be on the bottom of your layers, which will be on the top, and think about that order. So this is the density, so you can look at that. So pause and take a minute to think about that. Okay, so now that you've done that, if you have it at home, you can go ahead and try it. I have dumped them in here so you can see. Let me stop sharing so you all can see. At the bottom, we have our maple syrup, and then we have our Elmer's glue, and you have the olive oil, and then the isopropyl alcohol. So I added a little bit of food coloring to the isopropyl alcohol and Elmer's glue so you could see it better. So that's why it's a pinky color and a blue color. Let's go back to the PowerPoint to talk about that. When we look at the densities, maple syrup had the highest density of 1.37 grams per milliliter. So it was the most dense, meaning it was on the bottom, it sunk. Elmer's glue was after that. It had a density of 1.19. So it was above the maple syrup, but below the olive oil, which had the density of a 0.917. And then lastly, on top, you had your isopropyl alcohol. It had the density of 0.786 grams per milliliter. So if you want to get these items and participate at home, it's a fun experiment, simple way to see chemistry at home, and hopefully give you a visual. So as we start talking about density again in this new unit, it'll help you understand what's going on. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.